Hello everyone, nice to meet you. Welcome back to the channel where home design meets real-life living. Today we're diving into low-maintenance backyard landscaping ideas that look beautiful without needing constant upkeep. If you're someone who loves the idea of a peaceful outdoor space but doesn't have the time or energy for heavy gardening, this episode is just for you. Creating a stylish and relaxing backyard doesn't have to be complicated. With the right choices, you can enjoy your outdoor space all year round with minimal effort. So if you're ready to transform your yard into something special, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on practical and inspiring design content. Let's start with the foundation of your outdoor space, which is the ground itself. Replacing traditional grass with gravel pavers or artificial turf can cut down your maintenance time drastically. Not only do these materials look clean and modern, but they also eliminate the need for weekly mowing or watering. You can also create pathways with stepping stones or natural slate to guide the flow of the space. Add a few low-profile plants around the edges to soften the look and bring a touch of green. If this kind of simple upgrade speaks to your style, hit that subscribe button for more backyard design ideas that actually work. Now let's talk about the plants, because greenery can still be part of your plan even when you're keeping it low maintenance. Opt for drought-tolerant plants like succulents, ornamental grasses, or native shrubs that thrive with minimal attention. These choices not only save water, but they also add texture and interest to your landscape. Use raised beds or large planters to keep things tidy and organized. This setup makes it easier to manage and update your garden with the seasons. If these smart plant ideas got you thinking about your own yard, be sure to subscribe so we can bring you even more ways to simplify and beautify your space. And finally, think about how you want to use this space. Creating functional zones like a small patio, a fire pit corner, or even an outdoor dining area can make your backyard feel complete without adding much work. Use materials like weather-resistant furniture and solar lighting to keep maintenance to a minimum. You can even bring in shade with a pergola or simple umbrella for comfort. When everything has a purpose, the space becomes easier to enjoy and even easier to maintain. If you're ready to build a backyard that fits your lifestyle, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected for more home design ideas that are both smart and stylish.